What kind of dog is that?
Which one? Pomeranian.
Wow. What's up, buddy? All right. See if this is going to be doable here. Really don't want to cut that, man. Fudge packer. All right. Look at that. Pan is just destroyed right there. Okay. Ooh, be careful here. All right. Screw there. Screw there. Trying to do this without pumping this thing down. Going crazy. So we'll see. Let's get these screws out. Gotta be careful here, man. Okay. Now you're probably asking yourself, why is he doing all this? Just cut it out and replace it. Well, in order to access the unit on the roof, I've got to go through someone's porch and balcony. And it's locked. They're not home. And they said, no access if no one's home. So I can't get to the roof. So I've got to make something happen. Because this guy needs this air conditioner to work. It's not the prettiest, but I'm going to try to make it happen. If I can get this coil up high enough, I can slide the new pan in. If I can't, it's Friday. Yeah, so at this point, you know, what have I got to lose, right? What have I got to lose? God. Bada bing! All right, man. Moving. I don't even care about that side pan. But let's see if I can leave it in there. See if we can do it. You know, this is not the traditional way of doing this shit. I just need this thing to drain without flooding the shop. And then soon this thing will be replaced. I gotta be careful not to crack this fucking pan putting it back in here too. So I need to get this up a little bit more. Good. I got it. Set this bad boy down. Fuck. All right. Didn't break my line, so I'm good. Oh man, look at that fur coat, huh? Jesus Christ. See that coil?
All that hair?
Yeah, man. Hairy situation there, huh?
Yeah, no shit. You can make another dog in there.
Jesus. Still need to vacuum it out,
Yeah,
though.
go for it. Already unplugged.
Good. Let's get this thing dropped down. See where I'm at. There. There we go. Homie. Yeah, this is all bent to hell, but you know what, man? Gotta do what you gotta do sometimes, you know what I mean? So, I'll just rotate back around this way. Yeah. And like I said, I could not access the roof. So what do you want me to do, bro? Guy needs air in here today, or he's gonna start losing a lot of money. A lot of money. It's just a filter cover here. All right, so this is sitting in the pan. All right, best I can. Sitting in the pan, best I can. Sitting in the pan there, sitting in the pan there. I'm just gonna drop it down. Okay, it's good. I think we're gonna be all right. All right, get this back down into position, and I'll be good. Okay. All right. Sitting in the pan there, but it's not sitting on this side. The whole thing's got to be twisted this way. All right, I'm sitting in the pan here, sitting in the pan here. So I'm good now, man. Let's get this back together. I mean, I couldn't go on the roof. Nothing I could do. This guy's losing money, bro. So I got to do what I can to help. Can't access the roof. You got to do what you got to do, right? Say what you want to say, but whatever. Bada bing. Fucking pain in my ass, bro. Fucking pain in my ass. Come on, buddy. Slide over. There we go. Okay. All right. Back in action. Like that. All right. Hell out of here, man. Careful, he's capillary tooth. Yeah. cut. I'm not gonna go crazy here. Let's get this back together now. Thumbtack Crooks. See, they're crooks. Advertising company. That's why I label them Thumbtack Crooks. I don't use them. They're just in my phone. They never leave you alone. Thumbtack's terrible. I don't recommend Thumbtack, Yelp, either. Crooks. They're all crooks. Crooks. Why did I just leave the door off the bottom before I did this? Alright, that's gonna work out alright. Oh, mama. It's good. Talked about it, so if this gets through the summer, next time I come out here, it's going to be yinkety yankety yankety yank. It's just a bad place to have an air handler, to be honest. Right in the middle of a dog grooming. In the middle of a dog grooming place, or it's just a bad place to have it, you know? All right, let's get this hooked up. Let's get out of here. Okay, let me get some glue. Glue this up and try this thing out. I'm just gonna seal this up with tape, mastic best I can, man. This thing is just roached. She's roached. All right, a little bit of everything here today, huh?
So what?
So I got a Weimaraner at home. Talk about a crazy dog, man. Talk about a crazy dog. All right, this should be free pet grooming for a year, huh? What do you say, Ray? All right. This thing's all cracked to hell. All right. Draining. It's making water and it's draining, baby. Draining into the pump. Draining into the pump. I think we're gonna be all right, but I mean, like I said, this thing is so next visit out here is gonna be bada bing, bada boom, get it out of here. You know what I mean? But hopefully this gets into the summer. I mean, you can't even get on the roof, like I said, to service this thing. Let's see what's up. I'm not even gonna touch none of that. Whatever. It's draining. It's Friday. I'm out of here. Thanks for watching. On to the next one. Got one by the house. And I'm gonna go home and relax with my wife. Enjoy the weekend. We'll give me a nice massage tomorrow. Back in action.
Go get a haircut,
All right,
man.
you're good to go. All right, have a good weekend. Jesus. Can I give the dog a treat?
Yeah.
Here you go, buddy. All right, take it easy.
All right, he's gonna-
Yeah. Oh my God. Ah, fresh air. Fresh air. I had to change my shirt and everything. Okay. Get out of here. Oh man. Call of booty. I mean beauty. What the hell? Thank you, sir. Gavin Newsom and his paper straws. You guys don't have any plastic straws, huh? Ah, Jesus. Yeah, so that unit there, man, I mean, I couldn't get on the roof because in order to access that roof of that building, you've got to go across people's balconies and use their balconies and their kind of like their little access or porches, so to speak. And if they're not home, you can't get on the roof. So no one was home, so I had to make do. I couldn't. The right way to do that, or not the right way, but the normal way someone would do that would be to pump the unit down, cut out the coil, you know, put the drain pan in there, and yada yada yada. But I wasn't able to do that, so I had to make it work. So I got it in there. It's working. That unit up top is in bad shape as well. So Ray already knows that, you know, later on this year, probably next spring, that thing's going to get replaced. If he's even still in there. So we'll see what happens. And yeah, it's Friday. Got one more call. And I'm headed home. Thanks for watching. I'm on to the next one. Hey, if you guys made it this far, that means you enjoy my videos and my content. So do me a favor, head over to YouTube, Matt's Crafty, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.